Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see a number conversion from decimal to hexadecimal and vice versa. So you are going to see both the conversion, both sides, that is decimal to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to decimal. So first you are going to see decimal to hexadecimal. You have to use same like previous videos you have seen. You are going to convert from decimal to anything. You are going to use repeated division method. You are going to use repeated division method. You are going to divide it by 16 since it isn't. You are going to convert it to hexadecimal. So convert 423 base 10 to hexadecimal. So 423 has to be divided by 16, and you are going to keep on divide the numbers. Whatever you are getting as quotient will be divided by 16 till the quotient becomes 0, and you are going to write the remainder as the answer. Now you are going to, after dividing 423 by 16, you are getting the quotient as 26 and the remainder is 7. Now again divide 26 by 16, you will get the quotient 1 and remainder is A, that is 10. So since it is 10, you have to replace the number with an alphabet. So 10 is the equivalent, the alphabet is A. Next you are going to divide the number 1 by 16. Since the number is smaller than the divisor, you are going to get the quotient as 0 and the same number as the remainder. So now you are going to write the answer from bottom to top direction. So it is 1A7 base 16 is the answer for the decimal equivalent 423. Now you are going to see decimal fraction to hexadecimal. So here you are going to multiply by 16. So you got the example, convert 0.03125 base 10 to hexadecimal. So multiply the fractional part by 16. So you are going to get 0.03125 into 16. You are going to get 0.5 as the answer. So integer part is 0, which has been taken apart, taken by the side and been written. Now the remaining value is 0.5, which should be multiplied by 16 again. So you are going to get 8.0, that is the answer what you got. So 8 is the integer part, you are going to take it out, and the fractional part is already 0. So once it becomes 0, you know that you are going to stop the calculation. So the final answer what should be written is from the top to bottom. So it should be 08. Okay, so answer is 0.03125, that is a decimal value. The equivalent by hexadecimal value is 0.08 base 16. So that is the answer for hexadecimal answer. Next is hexadecimal to decimal. So here you are going to use the reverse process. You are going to multiply by the weightage 16 with the power of whatever weightage is given. So here you got an example, convert 2AF 16 to decimal. So you are write 2AF, 3 digits are there. You are going to write from the right, that is right side, you are going to write 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1 and 16 to the power 2. So you are going to write it as it is. So 2 into 16 power 16 square plus A into 16 power 1 plus F into 16 power 0. Now you already know that A value is 10 and F value is 15. Okay, you have to just replace that alphabet with the numbers. So 2 into 16 to the power 2, that is 16 square is 256. Okay, should be written, and plus A value, the equivalent value for A is 10. So 10 into 16, that because 16 power 1 is 16, plus F value equivalent is 15 into 16 power 0 is 1. So you have to write that, and then finally multiply the value. So once you multiply, you get 512 plus 160 plus 15. So finally you add up these values, you will get the answer 687 base 10. That is the decimal equivalent for the hexadecimal value. Now we are going to see hexadecimal fraction to decimal. Convert 56.08 base 16 to decimal. So same way you are going to write the digits 5608. The integer part you are going to start from the right to left. So it is 16 to the power 0 and 16 to the power 1, because you got only 2 integer part and you got 2 fractional part, which should be written from left to right. So 16 to the power minus 1, 16 to the power minus 2. Now you are going to write as it is. So 5 into 16 to the power 1 plus 6 into 16 to the power 0 plus 0 into 16 to the power minus 1 plus 8 into 16 to the power minus 1. Now 16 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 16. So you will get a decimal value for that. And then 16 to the power 1, you will get 1 by 256. So you will get as decimal value. Now you can see here 5 into 16. So 16 to the power 1 is 16. So you are going to write as it is. And now 16 to the power 0 is 1. So you will get 6 into 1 plus 0 into 16 to the power minus 1. You are getting a value 0.0625, which will be multiplied by 0. Anyway, it will be 0 only. Then plus 8 into you got a decimal fraction value, that is 0.00390,625. That is the value which when you divide the 1 by 256. So finally you multiply these values, you will get 5 into 16, you get 80, 6 into 1 you got 6, and then you got 0, then plus 8 into these fractional part, you will get 0.03125. So add up these values, you will get 86.03125. Base 10 is the decimal equivalent for hexadecimal fraction. So if you understood these conversions, it is almost same like the previous videos. I will meet in the next video. Till then, thank you.